Firstly, select the type tool, then write the text that you want, increase the size and adjust it into center. Then press Ctrl T to select and Ctrl plus J to copy. Right click and select flip vertically. Bring this below. Right click on this layer and convert into smart object. Press Ctrl T to select. Right click and select perspective. Select the corner and stretch it like that. Hold shift and drag it. Select the text, then going to the effects and add a gradient overlay. Set the left side with black and right side with white. Hit OK. Set the angle to 90 degrees and set the scale to 150%. Here is your final result. I hope this video is very helpful for you. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe Lizomind.